Hey guys, welcome back to video 3 on our camping theme. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 activities that you can use with your kiddos in your classroom or at home. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel yet, do it now. Hey guys, welcome back to video 3 on our camping theme. Our first activity in this video is an ice cube sailboat. For this activity, I pre-froze water in cupcake liners ahead of time, and then I use them in a water table or in a small pool outside. They can have boat races with their ice cube boat. Our second activity is fishing. For this activity, it can become very educational as you can draw numbers, letters, or words on the fish that you want the children to read or be practicing. Put a paperclip on the fish and then create a stick or a pole with string and a magnet on one end and let them fish. Once they catch a fish, they have to either read the word or spell it or whatever you're working on at the moment. Thanks for watching those 2 ideas. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.